I'm here with our Haze Sting Tray. This color looks so beautiful with the cocktail table. It's kind of a really warm, stony gray tone. Faux chagrin on the texture. We've got brass handles to make it easy to pick up. I'm using our large, so this is 24 by 24 inches, giving me lots of room to style, which I love. I'm gonna use 2 stacks of books inside of this, and by books I mean like large cocktail table books. These are not novels. And then I love something organic in it. This can be a house plant. I'm using this beautiful set of faux roses. And then we've got our crystal candle dish, the large one, with a big, beautiful 3-wick candle. So you can light that. You can slide remote controls in here. This is perfect for your family room, living room, master bedroom on a cocktail table. Wherever you need it, it's just gorgeous to contain everything. Also available in an 18 by 18 inch side.